are and Boeing too. Who was the bill? It's me and you. Back in 1991, the Iron Curve came crashing down. No more big bad enemy, no need for nukes and tanks, you see. All that cash, ours to spend, was known as the peace dividend. We'd use it for schools and health care, to be fair, and wealth to share. Environmental cleanup too, that bill was long overdue, but it was just a dream because America